Okay, Mr. Ter. So today we have visited Super Manila Comic Con at Makati. So we have a freebies of Pigpen Hisoka, Pigpen Kalua, and a Gashapon na Gundam, and a pack of the Falling Merman. So let's tear it. Oops, so mukhang madamage yung card. Let's check. How's it? So we have an acetate. So we have a SSR 11, the Falling Merman, and wow, ganda ng card and comic, kapal ng card, akala ko dalawa. So one acetate and two cards, and thank you.